Hi guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me and I'm doing it in my B6 FoxyFix. This is my sugar, my number 5 sugar icing. And I did a full setup and flip through, so I will link that video above and in the description. But today I'm doing it in my inserts with my Yesenia printables inserts. But the kit I'm going to be using is this kit from NediDesigns. It's called Serenity and it is so pretty, and I thought it would be perfect for the transition between February and March because of the red and green. So in this kit you just have your glitter headers, your full boxes, ombre heart checklists, half boxes, quarter boxes, your functional sheet, headers, little things, date covers, date dots, script, and then your bottom washi. So I'm going to be using this kit, and also go check out her shop, and if you use the code Amanda25 you get 25% off. So let's get into it. Alright, so I have my inserts, and again these are the Yesenia printables, or they're from Yesenia printables, and I printed them just on 32 pound, I believe, just paper, and then these are the undated ones. I will link the exact ones down below. But I'm going to do my bottom washi. I'm going to use this strip because I really like the florals. Perfect. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to do my full boxes, and I love her script. So I'm going to use some of her script she has today to do in littles. I think I'm going to use the today and the littles. And then I also did bring out these, which I thought were so pretty. These are from Rose Color Days. They're like a holographic gold. I just thought they would add something to it, so I wanted to do that. So I'm just going to use the todays at the top. And this is her matte kit. But I hope everybody had a great week. And then I also do have a video going live. I don't know, I wanted to go live on Thursday, but I never uploaded it. It was a haul, so I'll probably do it sometime this week. But I love the script of this kit because it's just so pretty. And I can't believe in a week I will be getting ready for California. Crazy to think about. And I'm happy because this week it's supposed to be really nice because I have to train because I have a half marathon in like a week and a half, or like 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks from Sunday. And my gym is like remodeling, so the closest one is not super close. So I'm happy that it's going to be warm because then I can just run outside. I usually run on a treadmill just because it's cold where I live. Not even that cold, it's just I think it's cold. So I'm going to put the full boxes in the center. So I'm just going to line it up as close as to the center as possible. But I am very happy that a lot of you guys did like my planner setup. I'm very grateful for that. So I'm going to put headers above the full box instead of below. Right? Should I do that? Or should I do below? I'm going to do above, and then I'll put headers below as well. Or I'll put, do I want to put littles below? I don't know. But I did get this, or these headers from Rose Colored Days in a Misfit pack, and I don't see anything wrong with them. So, I'm not complaining at all. They're beautiful. Okay. I really like that. Okay, so Monday I want to work out. I have a doctor's appointment, and for my doctor's appointment I'm going to be using these stickers from Little Miss Papery. They are just her script, And if you use the code Amanda PR15, you will get 15% off your order. So I'm going to mark my appointment first. I'm going to take a quarter box to mark my appointment. And I'm going to take this one, and that's after school. So I'm going to put it right here with a little space in between. And then I think I'm going to take this light green and just put appointment right there, and I can just write like what time it's at, and it's kind of hard to see because how light that is. Oh, goodness gracious. But I love how this is turning out. It is so, so pretty. Okay, and I guess for the gym, I'm just going to use these appointment labels. So I'm going to use a maroon at the top. I'll use this maroon, that right there, because I'm going to go in the morning. Because this is the last day that my gym is open, and then it closes. And then I'm going to take a little dumbbell from Little Miss Papery and just put that right there. And these are just one of her mini Mondays. And then I do want to work on like stuff for school. And I'm going to take a flag from Clever Gal Crafts. These are the rosy colorway, and I think I'm going to use this one. And these are in the gold foil. And then Tuesday, I have a meeting. I have an advising appointment. So for my meeting, I'm going to use a quarter box again. Put that there, if I can. Oops. And to mark my meeting, I'm going to use these from Little Miss Papery. They are her script, but they just say meeting. Or actually, I might just use, I'm going to use these again, I think. And I like to use my tweezers for this. I'm just going to use that. And that's just to mark my meeting. And then I also do have like my advising appointment because I schedule classes so soon. Or not so soon, but I schedule them March. And I'm in the field starting in March, so we have our advising appointments a lot earlier than other majors. And I'm going to take this gray, just this light gray clock from Planning World with the gold foil just to mark that. And then I do have a lot of stuff to work on for school. So I'm going to take one of these boxes from Honeydew Paper. I'm just going to put that there. And I think I'm going to move this up. So I'm going to take my undo. Okay, that looks a lot better. And then I'm going to take this box, and I also have a school sticker from the kit. So I'm going to put this guy right there. And I love these from Honeydew Paper. They are on her premium matte paper, and I just love premium matte paper. And I'm going to put school right there. Perfect. All right, and then I have an assignment due. So I'm going to take the maroon, and I don't think I'm going to mark, actually I'll put this one up here. I'm not going to mark the workout. I'll probably just do that in my EC. And then, so I have an assignment due, and then I'm getting lunch with a friend. So that's for school. And I'm going to take a bow from Clever Gal Crafts in the rosy colorway, so it's the same colorway as the flag here. And then I'm going to take a quarter box that's from School Prints Co. to mark lunch. That's with my friend, and I'm going to use a heart to mark that. I have these from Clever Gal Crafts in the flirty colorway, and I'll just put a heart there. And then my monthly plan with me will go live on Thursday. Okay, so for videos, I'm gonna use these flags and then use a bow. So I'm going to put a little flag there that's from the kit, and then take a bow to mark the video. And then I'm just going to put a quarter box down here for whatever, just because there is a like mark. Oh, that will be to babysit. And then, because I work Thursday. And I have junior achievement. So I'm going to combine both of these like that and then put work in the middle, which I really like how that looks. I'm not going to take this quarter box because I have that one there. I'm going to take this one and put it here. But I'm going to move it down. And that will be the only thing in the morning. And then I'm going to take a heart. And I have a couple. I think I'm going to take this one. And these are from Clever Gal Crafts. These are in Woodland Noel with the gold foil. And then Friday, I work again. So I'm going to take another 2. And that's in the morning. So mark that. I love how this is turning out, guys. It is so, so pretty. And then I have an assignment due. So I will use that. I'll use another one of those Sesame little arrows. So I used those last week and I really like how that looked. I have these in rose gold. I do want to get them in silver though. Saturday I have a manicure for my trip. So I'm going to take a quarter box. I'll take this green one. I'm going to move this down. And I'm just going to put this up here. And then put another clock from Planning World just to mark my manicure. And then I'll film Friday. And then take that. And then I'm going to do one last one because I'll have a Plan With Me go live on Sunday. And I'm going to put this on this side. Uh-oh, a siren's going off. Alright, and then Sunday I have to pack. So I'm going to mark laundry because I'll have to do laundry that day. So I'm taking these from Piper Paper Company. And if you actually use the code Amanda20, I'm sorry, you get 20% off your order. And if you put my name in the notes of seller, you will get my freebie. Some deco and just put it right there. And then I don't know what I'm doing that day, just kind of getting ready for my trip. So I forgot that I have these half boxes. So I will just use a half box for that. And I just saw that I have this sticker that says Coffee Diva. It's really, really cute. So I'm going to take that and a piece of washi and I'm going to layer that. Put that there. Awesome. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Alright, so I just put this back in my FoxyFix and this is how it looks. I love how it turned out and I just think it's so pretty. I love the foil and I really like these rose colored days headers. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, My Life Stuck on Paper. And don't forget to check out NediDesigns on Etsy and use the code Amanda25. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.